Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Instagram and going straight to your profile. Tap the three-line menu and choose Settings. Once there, select Privacy and then Connections or Messages because Instagram moves these options between releases. Make sure you're on the account that was auto-accepting requests. If not, switch now. You need the latest app version for consistent labels, so check for updates. After confirming account and update status, proceed to the specific request handling controls inside Privacy. This is where now you locate message controls or connection requests and inspect any toggles that suggest auto-accept behavior. You will see items like auto-accept, auto-confirm, or allow requests from linked accounts. Disable them. If the toggle is grayed or missing, check Account Center or linked apps for cross-account approvals and revoke permissions there. Once toggles are off, return to your message and request inbox to confirm new requests arrive manually. Make sure to log out and back in if changes don't appear immediately. Finish by testing. From a second account, send a request and verify it awaits your manual approval. If you still see auto-accepted contacts, clear the app cache or reinstall Instagram because cache settings can revert changes. Also audit third-party apps and revoke API or Account Center permissions that can auto-approve follows. If problems persist, contact Instagram support through the app with screenshots. Include the account name and exact toggles you changed. This helps escalate the issue if a server-side setting overrides your controls.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.